Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to for honest and expert beauty insights. Today we're shifting gears a bit and diving into something that's all about that fresh, confident smile. The DenTek Oral Care Kit with Gum Ultra-Tight Interdental Brushes. This handy 10-count kit is designed to target the spots that traditional brushing can miss, helping you achieve cleaner, healthier teeth and gums. Whether you've been looking for a way to elevate your dental routine or just want something compact for on-the-go freshness, this kit might be just what you need. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell icon so you never miss a review from us. Now let's talk about the DenTek Oral Care Kit. This set comes with all the essentials to take your dental hygiene to the next level. It includes a variety of tools, but the key standouts are the Gum Ultra-Tight Interdental Brushes and the stainless steel pick. The ultra-tight brushes are specifically designed to fit into those narrower gaps between your teeth, where regular floss often doesn't quite make the cut. The hard plastic scaler helps remove plaque during daily cleaning, while the stainless steel pick is meant for tougher jobs, like plaque, tartar, and food removal once a week. It's an impressive mix of tools that really gets the job done. I've been using this kit for a few weeks now, and I can tell you, it's definitely made a noticeable difference in how clean my mouth feels. The Gum Ultra-Tight Interdental brushes are fantastic at getting into those little spaces. They're soft, which makes them gentle on the gums, but they still provide a deep clean. You know that feeling when you finish brushing and you can still feel plaque lurking? I haven't had that once since using this kit. The flossers are also reusable, making them an eco-friendly choice, and they're small enough to carry around with me when I travel. What really impressed me was the fog-free dental mirror. It's not something I realized I needed until I used it. It's great for those hard-to-reach spots in the back of your mouth, and you can actually see what you're doing. It's a game changer for making sure I'm getting a thorough clean. Plus, the gum stimulator is a lovely touch, especially for someone like me who sometimes struggles with gum health. It's soothing and helps stimulate circulation, which promotes healthy tissue. However, there are a couple of points to keep in mind. The stainless steel pick is great for weekly use, but if you're not used to using something that's a bit more rigid, it can feel a little sharp at first. You do need to be cautious to avoid damaging your gums if you're not gentle. Also, while I love how portable and travel-friendly the kit is, the size of the brushes might not be ideal for everyone. If you have more widely spaced teeth, you might want to opt for a set with slightly thicker brushes for better coverage. In terms of value, I'd say this kit is worth the investment. It's a comprehensive, all-in-one solution for better oral care, especially if you want to prevent plaque buildup and improve gum health. It's hard to put a price on a brighter smile and healthier gums. And when you consider how much you'd spend at the dentist for a similar clean, this kit is a good deal. As far as comparisons go, I've tried similar oral care kits in the past, but the DenTek kit stands out for its thoughtful inclusion of the stainless steel pick and the fog-free mirror. Other kits may have brushes or flossers, but they don't offer the same level of detail or ease of use. Now, I want to pause here for a moment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this kit, the link is in the comments. On the customer service front, DenTek has a solid reputation for responsiveness. I've read about their quick resolution of any issues, and in case you have any problems, it's reassuring to know they're on top of it. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are a few options out there, but I'd say they won't quite offer the same level of quality or performance. The DenTek kit, with its variety of tools and thoughtful design, stands out in this category. To wrap it up, the DenTek Oral Care Kit with Gum Ultra-Tight Interdental Brushes is a solid addition to any oral care routine. It's got a great mix of tools for plaque removal, gum health, and overall maintenance. It's perfect for those who are looking for a portable solution without sacrificing on quality. The slight learning curve with the stainless steel pick is a minor issue, but once you get the hang of it, it's easy to use. If you value good oral hygiene and want something you can take anywhere, this kit is definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.